I suggested to the group that we should also frame how we discuss our ambitions here. Very often when we don't have, and I'm going to use that language now specifically, when we don't have enough women someplace, like not enough women in parliament, not enough women CEOs, not enough women in positions of leadership, not enough female engineers, then what happens in our brains is that the description of reality turns into prescriptions of what the world should look like. So it can easily turn into a justification of what the world should look like. So the people have done quite a number of studies on this, not in the gender diversity domain, but my fear was that the more we focus on the absence of women, the more this becomes a self-enforcing norm.